Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can get Discord Nitro profiles. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Go to the website called Vencord. Click on download. I'm using the Discord web application, so I'm going to download this browser extension. After installing, go to Discord and refresh the page. After that, click on settings, scroll down until you see the Vencord section. Go to plugins, and from here you want to filter fake profiles. Just turn this on and restart it. Go to edit profile, scroll down and select the color you want and click copy and paste it under bio. That's it, you can see your Nitro profile. So that's basically how you can get Discord Nitro profiles. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.